This is a duck. This is called a duck. But what sound does it make? Quack, quack, quack. So the name is duck and the sound is quack, quack, quack. Similarly, alphabets, they have a name and they have a sound. So let's look at the first alphabet. This is capital letter A and a small letter A. That is the name of the alphabet. But what sound does it make? Ah. What is the sound? Ah. Repeat after me. Ah. So whether it is a capital letter A or a small letter A, the sound is ah. Let's look at the next one. This is capital letter B and small letter b. That is the name of this letter. But what sound does this letter make? It makes the sound B. B. Can you repeat it after me, please? B. Good. This is capital letter C and small letter c. That is the name of this letter. But what sound does it make? K. K. Please repeat after me.